Hello guys, it's important to be abreast with what's happening and to crack the interview code. It's important that we know what kind of questions they are asking in the interviews. So here we have Miss Gitika Yadav. She got selected at IMC as well as IIM Indore. So in today's interaction, she is going to share her interview experience at IIM Indore. First of all, Gitika, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So you must have decided to join probably IMC.
Yes,
But
sir.
in this interaction, we are going to discuss your interview experience at IIM Indore.
Sure, sir.
So before moving further, just tell brief about you. That is your profile.
Okay. Sir, I have recently completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Prestige Group of Institutes. After my graduation, I worked with travels industry for a while to gain knowledge about operations. During my academics, I worked in various internships, one in data science and other in machine vision.
Okay. What about your 10th and 12th percentages? Graduation
Okay.
percentages. Yes.
Sir, in 10th I scored 88.8 and in 12th I scored 91.6.
Okay, great. So now let's come to the interview process. So
Okay.
how was the interview process at IIM Indore? Like how did it start? Like when you go there, what kind of questions did they ask?
Okay.
Everything else.
Well, one should be be ready to wait there for a very long time because at IIMs it takes a lot of time.
Okay.
There was a batch of around 20-25 people with one panel. The interview timing was around 10 to 15 minutes. Mine
Okay.
was very small interview compared to every other interviews.
Okay.
It was a very conversation and decent interview. I went in.
So was it the case only with you, or for everyone the interviews, the length of interviews was about 10 to 15 minutes?
For everyone, it was
Okay.
10 to 15 minutes.
Because
only.
normally at different times you have longish
Yeah.
interviews.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very first thing I would tell about IIM Indore, be ready with the academics,
Okay.
like especially about graphs and logarithmic formulas. Like very first question I went in, I sat there. Very first question I was asked like, are you aware with maths? So I happened to say, ki, yeah, I had done engineering, so I know maths. So they asked me, how good are you at maths? So I said, ki, sir, I'm pretty good in mathematics. So he handed me a pen and paper and asked me to draw graph of, I guess, root x.
Okay.
And that was easy. So I penned it down. So he was like, are you sure? He was like taking it. So I was like, yes, sir, I'm sure about it. Then he asked me one more question about logarithmic formula. It was like, he gave me to differentiate it.
Okay.
So I differentiated it. That was the two questions. He asked me about academics. Then he went on asking about my work experience. Like I worked in a travel sector. So he asked me what an engineer is doing there. So I said ki I wanted to explore the sector of operations. So I'm working. I explained him my work role. He was pretty satisfied. Like
So there were two panelists probably.
Yes, sir, two panelists.
So both of them were asking
no, sir, one by one.
one by one.
First, the other one person is asking, then he is handing over to the other person. Then he.
So they didn't ask you, tell me something about you.
Nothing,
upfront.
sir. Nothing like
They
that.
straight away started with math.
Yes, sir. Straight away started with maths.
And what kind of questions they asked about your work ex?
Sir, they asked me like, what is my job role? What technologies I happen to use there? Is there anything I am able to add to the company? What elements I am adding to it? So I happen to answer all the stuffs regarding my job role. After which he asked me about one question was asked about my project, like which project I'm working on. So I happen to create real-time machine vision projects. So
Okay.
I explained him. Then the second person hopped in. He asked me about union ministers. Like
Okay.
he asked me, do you know union ministers and their ministry? So I knew that. So he asked me to mention 5 union ministers and their respective ministries. After which he asked me, is there any MP from Madhya Pradesh who represented at a central level? So I was getting, not clear about the answer. So he gave me a hint, like she's being called as Tai in Indore.
Okay.
So I know she was Sumitra Mahajan. So I said it was her. So that was the question asked by the other person. Then the first person again hopped in. He asked me about some questions about my technologies like AI and ML, like what is the difference between them. Then the other person, like they were hopping in, like at other places, they were taking turn by turn, but by like how they are recalling the questions, they were asking about it. Then the other person asked me about the states and their capitals.
Capitals. Okay.
So they asked me that. And the last
So
question,
there was a lot of focus, or you can say weightage,
sir.
on general awareness.
General awareness.
And number 2, technicals.
Technicals, especially academics and maths was their favorite. So the last thing they asked me about the cleanliness, like I am from Indore only. So they asked me ki, how do you think Indore is doing? Like, are they doing some corrupt work to be at the top one? So I said no. I have given various examples to them, but they were still not satisfied. So I compared it with the other cities. Like I compared that after 11, if you'll be roaming around in the city, you'll find all the Nagar Nigam workers doing the work. Even the van size is bigger than other cities. And I have mentioned so many points, and the very thing they were so much impressed with was I mentioned to them that after collection of waste, the segregation for that, Indore already has a biogas plant, so which other cities may not have. So they were quite satisfied with that, and still the first panelist was not satisfied. So he was like, give me some more examples. So
Okay.
I gave him the example of 311 app, which is an app which was launched by Indore's government. So it was like in 24 hours your problem would be solved. Like you'll just have to snap a picture of the garbage present there, and they will solve
They
the
will
problem
remove
in 24 hours. So he was like, okay, it actually happens like that. So I said, sir, I actually have used that app, so I am confident about it.
Okay.
So they were convinced.
Okay. So what you were saying, they asked many questions from technical side, especially math,
Yes,
and
sir.
the interview was short. Many of our students at CHS Makers, they appeared in interview of I Am Indore.
Yes,
Did you have interaction with them?
Yes, sir.
And do you find some similarities in questions that they asked there?
So the major similarity was mathematics and
Okay.
academics. Like even if you are commerce student, they will ask you maths. Like
Okay.
in a way, maths is linked with them as well. Like even if you haven't studied maths here, you must have studied it in 10th. They'll ask you 10th questions.
Okay.
But they will ask you about
So math is one common thing in
Yes,
I Am
sir.
Indore interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second
Very
thing?
common thing. And other thing was like profile based questions.
Okay.
Be very prepared to prove them like you actually have done a particular thing in your profile journey. Like
So here I remember a phrase of Sandeep sir. I hope you must have also heard it. If you claim, be ready for the blame. So if you write
Right, sir.
something in the CV, be ready that they will ask you questions.
they will ask you questions.
So
right, sir.
it does happen as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. That's it. Like that is the major similarity there.
So be ready with whatever you have written, technicals and
Yeah.
especially math part,
Yes.
your academics.
Especially.
So that's what they ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did they conduct any writing ability test?
No, sir. At Indore, it doesn't happen. Some of the students were asked extempore,
Okay.
but in my case, extempore also hasn't happened.
They didn't ask extempore also.
Yes,
and,
sir.
and there was no writing ability test.
Nothing like
Indore.
that. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Chaliye, so that's it from our side. So we had a great interaction with Gitika related to her interview experience at I Am Indore. Well, we will certainly bring more such videos where we will interact with people who have appeared in different interviews at top B schools. Well, stay tuned. Till then, thank you.